Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich by only using olive oil, cheese, and sandwich bread. So let's start by putting the olive oil in. Now let's add our sandwich bread. Let's wait till that grills to start adding the cheese. That looks good enough. Now let's add the American cheese. Let's wait a few minutes while this cooks. I'm back and our grilled cheese is ready. Let's see how it looks. Now let's stack them together and see how it turned out. Ooh, look at that crisp. Let's see what it looks like when it's all on a plate. Here is our grilled cheese. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.